Hello, my dear friends, viewers, and subscribers. Hope everyone is very fine. This is Mehak, and today I come with a new video which is based on students' point of view. The title of my video is How You Can Remain Concentrated and Focused on Your Studies. It is a well-known fact that today students are taking the online classes and they are facing some problems also during the online classes. It is difficult for the teachers also, but I am really thankful from the core of my heart for the teachers that they are doing their best and they are putting the efforts for making the teaching more effective and innovative. And students are losing their concentration according to the recent survey, and I am also observing the same, that some of the students are saying we are not concentrating on our studies, and whenever we are sitting for doing the studies, we are not concentrating on them and we are not understanding the concepts. So there might be various reasons in the students' life also. We can't say anything about that. But in this video, I am going to tell you that how the students remain focused in their studies so that they can achieve success in their life. So first one is you should have an interest in your studies. Students, I want to give my example. Like in my school days and in my college days, I was very concentrated towards my studies. I was fascinated towards them. I just feel that I have wanted to study for the continuous period of the time, and I thought that if I will study hard, then I will achieve the success in my life. And this is real fact that if you have a concentration and you have an interest level in your studies, you will achieve your aims and the aspirations of the life. First step, it's advice also. You should have an interest in the studies, and if you have an interest, then your concentration level will automatically be enhanced. So the second thing that I want to share with you is that find a calm place in your home, or you can go to the library also. If there is a library in your hometown, you can go to the library and sit there and study in a very peaceful environment. But however, if you don't have the library in your hometown, you can find a very calm place in your home also. Find a favorite corner of yours, sit there, your concentration level will be doubled. This is I experience the same, and this is a personal example. Because whenever I studied, I find a very particular corner in my home and I studied there, and my understanding of the concepts are much better than those that is where I am not studying well. So students, find a very relaxing and peaceful environment in your home also for your studies. Third one is keep away from the distractions. Distractions includes your mobile phones and laptops. Undoubtedly that you are attending the online classes and teachers are providing this, but during the online classes you have to use the mobile phone. But after the online classes, you can keep that mobile phone away from you, and you just keep focused on your studies, because mobile phones in this technological world, these are the real distractors. Because whenever we are studying something, sometimes the message might come, sometimes the call might come, so these affect our studies negatively. So it is very important that whenever you are studying, keep away this technological gadgets away from you. And I personally believe that books are the real source of knowledge. Books have an abundance of the knowledge. You can use the books and you can get the good marks. And the fourth technique I want to share with you is that always remain self-motivated. Like whenever you are self-motivated, students, whenever you are thinking that you will achieve incentives, you will get the incentives later on, then it's very beneficial for you to achieve the targets of the life also. Self-motivation is very important. If you are self-motivated, then you can feel more concentrated on your study. And the last step I want to discuss with you in this video is that take the short breaks. like whenever you are studying, that after the 2 hours or after the 3 hours, whatever the convenient time you feel, take the short breaks after that. But during that short breaks you can walk around, you can do the brisk walking, or you can listen to some light music rather than watching anything, because if you watch anything then it will negatively influence your eyesight level. So students, it is very important that after doing studies you should also take some breaks in between, because after taking the break you get the peace of the mind and your concentration level which will be much higher than the previous one. So students, this is all about my today's video, and you will like my video and you will subscribe my channel and share it with others also, and keep updated yourself, because I will post some other videos also for the students, and so it is important that you should keep updated with my channel, and thank you.